Hi guys, Jake from Full Access UTV here. Today we are going to install a shift knob on a KRX. I had a few questions of how do you get it off. A lot of people say they just can't get it off. Well, I'll show you how to do that today, and we're going to install one of our billet aluminum handles. So this is our FA11. This is our billet aluminum shift knob in black. That's pretty much it there. And you'll notice for the KRX, it'll come with this and 2 set screws. You don't need this part. You just need the 2 set screws, which are already kind of in here. I'm going to back them off a bit, and then I'm going to install. All you need to remove it is basically a Phillips screwdriver number 2. Okay, so on the side of it is a Phillips screw. Most people miss this screw. And that is the one you need to get it off. Now, here's your trick to this. All you gotta do is pull up. You can twist left and right just like this, and then slowly start pulling up. But get your big boy panties on, because it's hard to pull off. So next, I'm going to cut this top off to stand off the side. This is where you need a cutoff wheel, but I don't want to get the camera full of sparks. So. Okay. Where'd that other piece just go? Well, I basically just cut the top flat off. There it is. So as you can see, I just cut that top flat off. If you look at the video, that's why it doesn't fit in any of the shift knobs. Gives you an idea why it's hard to get off too. So basically, all you got to do now is install your shift knob. And FYI, too, when I cut it about a ½ an inch below the flat spot, because I wanted the new one to sit a little lower than stock. So for comparison, slide this on there. That's about how low I can get it now. So even if you wanted it lower, just for comfort, you could just simply, cut it down lower. But other than that, I would get some Loctite for your front set screws. All you need to do is just tighten these up. But that is how you remove the shift knob in a KRX 1000 and install a billet aluminum knob. Actually, while I'm at it, I had another guy call me. This shift knob kept loosening up. So let me show you one more trick. So you'll see these are on a flat edge point going to the front. Let me grab the grinder one more time. All you gotta do is make a flat edge in the front so those set screws can hit it, and then it won't move anymore. Not sure if you can see that in that video or not. I just gave that front a little bit of an edge. So now when you put this in there, the set screws lock against that flat edge, and that'll keep it all from moving and coming loose on you. Keep it from twisting and everything. You also notice too, this is our little reverse gate shifter in here. So you actually just cut out the detent for neutral and just put a cool cover over it so it doesn't have that notch. These are pretty inexpensive on the website, but you can just go, basically from low to reverse in a hurry if you need to, or whatever else. But that's it. That's a billet aluminum shifter knob install. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe if you'd like to see more content coming. We'll have lots of goofy things, maintenance, and everything else coming. So thanks for watching.